How do I search for a job in today's new norm? Yeah, the world has changed, sadly. There are many fears about the future of work. People are petrified. They have no idea where their future is, what they want to do, how they're going to get there. My name is Martin Buckland. I'm an executive career management practitioner. I manage and advance the careers of senior executives across the world, those who aspire to be business leaders. I'm also a global expert in managing and advancing the careers of executive master of business administration and an expert in the mining profession. Today's economy is so unpredictable. It changes minute by minute. We don't know what's going to happen next hour, the hour, and thereafter, and then tomorrow. Your career future is just the same. It's unpredictable. I have 25 years of experience in managing and helping people advance their careers across the world. I have been fortunate to help people in 3 different recessions. Yeah, it looks like we're going into a recession right now. So I'd be pleased to help anybody manage and advance their careers. I want to help you. So what I've done is I've written a book. I've written this book, Look After Number 1, the tips and tricks on how to recession-proof your career. It's detailed information on how to get from your petrified state, your scared state, and calm down and plan your career ahead, because there's a lot of work. Managing your career takes a lot of work, especially in today's environment. You want to be number 1. I've also got a bonus for you. I've written a page or 2 on how to deal with this COVID-19 crisis and get out of it with your career. If you are unemployed, you need to get back to work like ASAP. This book, for a small investment, provides you with all the tools and tricks on how to recession-proof your career. Manage your career now, and I hope you find this book will bring you lots of value in troubled times.